The Sabbath is a day to unplug and remember who we are without electronics. In many religious traditions, there is the experience of having a Sabbath day. When I went to Jerusalem, it was amazing to see that three monotheistic faiths each took a day off: Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. It doesn't matter what day we designate. But it is important, I am believing more so now than ever before, that we take a day off to unplug, to not look at our phones, put our computer to sleep, which I do. I cover mine with this beautiful piece of lace that a dear friend gave to me. And it is a reminder to be more present to the surroundings, to read more, to walk, to just simply slow down, to cook slow food, to enjoy a good glass of wine with a meal that you have prepared, to spend time with others, to do something spiritual, engage in some ritual, go to church if that speaks to you. But this is something that many of us do not do, and I am extremely concerned at the people who are online and available 24/7, 7 days a week, every day of the year. So for today's practice, find a way to unplug on a regular basis.